Hey, this is Pawel from Pawel's Mysteries. Today I want to expose the myth of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs never existed, and you can tell because no kings had them in their collections. No farmers ever found them on their fields. Uh, there is no reports of any monsters or dinosaurs. In fact, the word dinosaur was made up by William Buckland in London, England, in 1819. He was also friend of Charles Darwin. How interesting. Some say that they were cousins, but they were definitely friends, and they knew each other from British association. That was association of scientists at that time. That the first scientists actually formed association. Something about William Buckland that you should know. William Buckland was teaching some courses, and the students say that he liked drama. He also is the one who invented the term paleontology, and he is also the person who found first monkey man. First it was monkey woman, but when the locals accused him of killing a prostitute a year ago, then he switched. After a year, he switched the story that it was monkey man. And of course, every doctor knows that the skeleton of a man and a woman is totally different. If you would ask, where is that skeleton? Nobody knows. So can we see it? No, you can't. It's also very interesting that William Buckland was also such a lucky man that he also says he found a skeleton of the dinosaur. So he found monkey man and dinosaur at the same time. Like, how crazy is this? And where did he say he found this dinosaur? He said that he found it in a cave, like 1 mile deep in a cave. What would be the dinosaur doing in there? What would he eat? Did dinosaurs live in cage? Dinosaurs are usually found in places where there is no people. There is never any dinosaur that was dug out by a construction crew. Think about millions of skyscrapers, millions of homes. People dig deep, and they never found any dinosaur. No construction crew, no uneducated construction crew is allowed to find a dinosaur. It has to be someone with a title, someone who is atheist and who is accredited with atheist university. It always have to be in place like Saskatchewan, on the flat plain like this lawn. You see, what would dinosaur eat? Even a cow can eat that. Never mind dinosaur with teeth like this. You see, this is all fake. What would he drink? In Saskatchewan, which is flat like a table, there is no streams, there is no rivers, there is nothing. There is zero chances that anything would survive there, other than, who knows, maybe rabbits. No scientist from World Science Database, no Christian scientist will ever be published because media are satanic. Media belong to 4 corporations. And where Rosie O'Donnell said on The View that media belongs to all corporations, she was, everybody gasped like, and she was fired the next day. And in fact, I checked, those 4 corporations belong to Viacom, and Viacom belongs to one person, Rupert Murdoch from Australia. So one person decides about atheism. And also, all news are from Reuters or Associated Press. Both companies belong to Rothschilds. So again, one person decides of what news you are going to know. It is also impossible that dinosaurs, supposed dinosaurs' bones would survive that long to our times because bones decompose. Whether it would be dinosaurs or crocodiles or giraffe or elephant, they decompose in 100 years. In 100 years, the law allows you to plow a graveyard because human bones or chicken bones would decompose fast. Even it doesn't matter how big would be the dinosaurs, their bones would decompose, if not 100 years, well, gee, 1,000 years. There is zero chances that they would survive millions of years. What is also important to understand that radioactive carbon C14 method, this carbon dating method is a fake. It's insulting. There is no carbon C14 in nature. There is no such thing. So they make it up. They say, oh, we created in laboratory. So you create something in laboratory? If you do, no, it's still fake. And real scientists from World Science Database with thousands and thousands of professors, PhDs, masters, bachelor, and even common people who have intelligence and who study this. Real scientists are about science. They are not about titles. They are not about approval by the government that is atheist by nature. If the dinosaurs were real, farmers would find them on their fields. The construction workers would find them while digging millions of foundations for homes over the millennia, and that happened over thousands of years. Nobody ever found dinosaur. No, it has to be someone educated. It has to be someone who is atheist from a university, and he has to find it somewhere where you can see. And you will never see it because it's all fake. It's made up. Dinosaurs, in fact, were invented to disprove Noah's Ark, just to ridicule, to use the fear of ridicule, to ridicule people who are not certain of their own beliefs and opinions. Their opinions and their beliefs are given to them, and then they believe them because they are simply too afraid and too feeble-minded to do their own research, as most people are. So you may ask, what are those skeletons that they show you in natural museums of sciences? Well, they are as real as the doctor's skeletons of humans. They are made from plastic or some synthetic, but they are not real. There is actually three major facilities in the world when they make them. There is one video, 1.5 minute, that shows actually two PhDs that approached a director of one of such places where they make them, and they talked with him, and he started laughing, and he said, "This is our latest uh, building that where we make this is where we make the dinosaurs. You see, they are all made up. They are not true." In National Geographic, there is actually article about dinosaurs, and they say they found another one, and then you see a worker doing welding on it, and the sign says that this is accurate model of whatever, not Tyrannosaurus Rex, something else, and it's created from steel, resin, and styrofoam. So they even admit that it's fake. And that's why when you go to the museums and you see those bones, there is no missing bones. They are perfectly clean and nice because they are fake. They are made up. So if you think that dinosaurs are real, go pet your dinosaur. And if you like this video, like it and subscribe for the updates. Thank you.